Dóblalo así. Fold it like this. Fold it like this. Dóblalo. Fold it así. Like this. Dóblalo así. Fold it like this. Ponlo aquí. Put it here. Put it here. Ponlo. Put it aquí. Here. Ponlo aquí. Put it here. Necesitamos permiso. We need permission. We need permission. Necesitamos. We need permiso. Permission. We need permission. Necesitamos permiso. Siéntate con ellos. Sit with them. Sit with them. Siéntate. Sit. Con. With. Ellos. Them. Sit with them. Siéntate con ellos. Sit with them. Se mostrará en tu cuenta. It will show in your account. It will show in your account. Se mostrará. It will show en tu, in your cuenta, account. It will show in your account. Se mostrará en tu cuenta. Voy a cocinar. I will cook. I will cook. Voy a. I will cocinar. Cook. I will cook. Voy a cocinar. Tenemos una sorpresa. We have a surprise. We have a surprise. Tenemos. We have una sorpresa. A surprise. We have a surprise. Tenemos una sorpresa. Lo hice ayer. I made it yesterday. I made it yesterday. Lo hice. I made it ayer. Yesterday. I made it yesterday. Lo hice ayer. Compra algunas bebidas. Buy some drinks. Buy some drinks. Compra. Buy. Algunas. Some. Bebidas. Drinks. Buy some drinks. Compra algunas bebidas. Buy some drinks. He limpiado. I have cleaned. I have cleaned. I have limpiado. Cleaned. I have cleaned. He limpiado. I have cleaned. Estamos sorprendidos. We are surprised. We are surprised. Estamos. We are sorprendidos. Surprised. We are surprised. Estamos sorprendidos. Esto es tuyo. This is yours. This is yours. Esto, this, es tuyo. Is yours. This is yours. Esto es tuyo. This is yours. Siento algo aquí. I feel something here. I feel something here. Siento. I feel. Algo. Something. Aquí. Here. I feel something here. Siento algo aquí. I feel something here. Entiendo bien. I understand well. I understand well. Entiendo. I understand. Bien. Well. I understand well. Entiendo bien. La comida está lista. The food is ready. The food is ready. La comida. The food. Está lista. Is ready. The food is ready. La comida está lista. Debemos irnos. We must go. We must go. Debemos. We must. Irnos. Go. We must go. Debemos irnos. Se está pudriendo. It's rotting. It's rotting. Se está. It's pudriendo. Rotting. Se está pudriendo. It's rotting. Dolerá un poco. It will hurt a little. It will hurt a little. Dolerá. It will hurt un poco. A little. Dolerá un poco. It will hurt a little. Invita a tus amigos. Invite your friends. Invite your friends. Invita, invite a tus, your amigos, friends. Invite your friends. Invita a tus amigos. Invite your friends. Por favor, entre. Please enter. Please enter. Por favor, please entre. Enter. Please enter. Por favor, entre. Esto es el límite. This is the limit. This is the limit. Esto es. This is el límite. The limit. This is the limit. Esto es el límite. Ven el sábado. Come Saturday. Come Saturday. Ven. Come. El sábado. Saturday. Come Saturday. Ven el sábado. ¿Te sientes mejor? You feel better? You feel better? ¿Te sientes? You feel mejor? Better? ¿Te sientes mejor? You feel better? Lo haces bien. You do it well. You do it well. ¿Lo haces? You do it bien. Well. Lo haces bien. You do it well. Parece sucio. It seems dirty. It seems dirty. Parece. It seems sucio. Dirty. It seems dirty. Parece sucio. Disfrutaré del sol hoy. I will enjoy the sun today. I will enjoy the sun today. Disfrutaré. I will enjoy del, the, sol, sun, hoy, today. I will enjoy the sun today. Disfrutaré del sol hoy. I will enjoy the sun today. Ella es mi amiga. She is my friend. She is my friend. Ella es. She is mi amiga. My friend. Ella es mi amiga. She is my friend.